Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope all is well. And for those who's new here, hi, thank you for tuning in today and welcome. So in today's video, magluluto tayo ng creamy lemon garlic salmon. So for those who's out there who loves fish, I'm pretty sure that you will love this recipe. Tara, samahan niyo akong magluto. Alright guys, so here's all our ingredients. So of course, we have salmon here. As you can see, this is only one piece but it's a decent size. I'm thinking maybe hatiin ko na into dalawa. Ako lang naman kakain. So of course, we do need, we have here garlic, onion, we need lemon, we also need spinach, we do need tomato, fresh parsley I do have here, but if you don't have any fresh one, you can always use the parsley flakes. And we do need a black pepper, heavy cream, parmesan cheese, we do need parmesan cheese, olive oil, and I am not going to use a iodized salt. Instead I'll be using a coarse salt, but iodized salt will do, it's fine. So this recipe, I'm not gonna be using a whole heavy cream itself. I am going to mix this up with milk, but that's optional. You can always just use a heavy cream. Some other, they use coconut milk, but these ingredients I'll be using a heavy cream. And what else I'm forgetting? I think that's it. And I also have garlic in here. So you can see this is 5 large size of garlic. We do need a lot of garlic with this recipe. Tara, let's get started. Alright love, so I prepared all the ingredients that we need. First we have to season our salmon. I am going to season this with the salt. And just make sure your hand is clean. You have to season it both sides. And then this ground black pepper. It's almost empty. Never mind. This one. Like that. And then the other side as well. Just rub it nicely. And then we're going to squeeze in some lemon in it. So probably about 1 tablespoon. I'm using my hand so I could catch the seed from the lemon. We don't want it. And then the other side as well. Alright, there we go. While seasoning our salmon, I have also my cast iron preheated. Alright mga love, so I do have my cast iron preheated already. So let's put some olive oil in it so we can like pan-seared our salmon. So I forgot to mention, I almost forgot, we do need a white wine with this recipe. I mean, it's optional, but I found it with the white wine, it enhanced more with the flavor, and I decided not to cut my slice my salmon into 2, so this is going to be a huge cut. Let's see. So we're gonna fry first right off with the skin. So we're gonna fry both sides at least about 3 minutes. So let's flip this over and let's cook the other side for 3 minutes as well. We're just gonna let this like brown, golden brown. Alright little loves, let's check this out. It's been 3 minutes. And then all we have to do is just set this aside. And then after that, we are going to make our sauce. So we're not gonna drain the olive oil. We're gonna use that because it has a flavor in it. All we have to do is add some butter in it, like close to 2 tablespoons should be fine. Now let's add our minced onion first. This is about 1/4 cup of minced onion. We're just gonna saute this at least for about a minute. And then our minced garlic. You just have to wait till it smells like aromatic and then everything is translucent and the garlic will be like at least medium brown. Now let's add our tomatoes. So in terms of tomatoes, guys, you can use the cherry tomatoes if you would like to, or maybe the diced tomato in a can. That should be fine. So we're just going to cook the tomato for like a minute. By the way, we are in a low-medium heat right now. So at this point, we can add on now our white wine. So there's a lot of cheap white wine outside, mga loves. I'm using this Chardonnay Bay Bridge. So we are just gonna be using 1/3 of a cup. You can add more of that if you want to. So it's up to you. Actually a little bit more, so probably close to 1/4 now. I mean 1/2. So anyways, we're just gonna wait till the amount reduced to just half amount. So we have to let this white wine simmer for a few minutes. So the more it's evaporate, the alcohol will kinda mawala yung alcohol niya. So we're not gonna taste the alcohol. So this white wine will add more taste to it. Now it's time to add our heavy cream. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of this. As you can see, yung white wine nag-reduce yung amount niya. It's only like, half. And then I'm gonna add milk as well. 1/2 cup of milk. Alright, so and then let's just simmer for a few minutes. So I let it simmer for 6 minutes. Now we can add the Parmesan cheese. I should say like 2 tablespoons of this. And we're gonna taste this later if we need salt or not, because Parmesan is a little salty and we already put a salt on our salmon earlier. So this is gonna melt really quick. Now it's time to add our spinach. I wash all the spinach I have, so I might just gonna go ahead and use them all. So depending on you how many spinach you want, but this will cook really easily in less than 2 minutes. So our spinach is cooked. I'm going to add some fresh parsley in it. And by the way, I add on 1/2 teaspoon of salt because it's just needed some salt. It's up to you depending on your taste. And then now we can put now our salmon. So I decided not to cut my salmon into 2 slices. So if you decided to cook like 2 or 3 pieces of this, just double up the ingredients. So since this is a big slice, instead of 6 minutes, I am going to cook this for 7 minutes. So you have to watch out for that. You don't want your salmon overcooked. So I set my alarm into 7 minutes. We still have 5 minutes to go, and I'm gonna go ahead add on the lemon in it. And and you kind of need to do like that. Alright mga loves, 7 minutes is up. So I decided to sprinkle or add some chili flakes, but this is optional, okay? It doesn't need to have a chili flakes. I just want a little, kind of a little spiciness in there. And then sprinkle a little bit, some more of the fresh parsley we got here. There you go. And let's turn up the heat. There you have it. Alright guys, it's taste time. So it is so flaky, it's not overcooked, it's just perfect. So I'm taking some spinach in there. It is so delicious, it is so creamy. You can absolutely taste the garlic, the lemon, and plus the spinach. So this is really perfect for those of you who's doing diet in there. And that's my second bite. I hope you guys learned from this video today. I hope you try this at home. It is worth trying and it's really good. And if you're a fish lover, you will love this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you're new here, tap on the bell button so you will be notified each time I have a new upload. See you in my next one. Bye!